Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to connect to a device on Spotify. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open the Spotify app on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Apps and Devices. Toggle on Local Device Visibility. Devices connected to your local Wi-Fi or Ethernet are shown in the Device menu. To access the Device menu, tap on the desktop icon next to the music currently playing. You will see all available devices you can connect to. In this case, I'm currently playing music on my desktop, and I can connect to my mobile phone or other available devices connected on my Wi-Fi network. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.